So I'm here with Trish O'Halloran, who's the Leinster Regional Head of Sales with FBD Insurance. So Trish, can you tell us, what is the new regulations with the driver's licence for new drivers at the moment? What advice would you give them?
So the IMID regulation came in at the end of March of this year, and what that means for our drivers is that if anybody wants to take out a new policy with FBD or renew their policy, the driver themselves and any named drivers must provide their licence number to FBD. What happens then is that licence number gets validated against the national database, and what the aim of that legislation is that we are trying to get uninsured drivers off the road. So we are communicating with all our drivers well in advance of their renewal date via various means, text message, email, and we are writing to our customers, giving them plenty of notice to provide that information to us. Therefore, when it comes to their renewal, it's seamless at that point in time.
And what advice would you give to new farmers that are going into farming and want to take out an insurance policy? So what advice would you give to those?
Well, first and foremost, what I would recommend is contact the FBD local branch. We have 34 branches across the country, and I feel the best thing that they could do is actually make contact. We have sales representatives who will attend on site. They will sit down at your kitchen table. They will walk among the farm yard and give you advice on what it is that you need insured or not insured based on your own personal circumstances. A lot has changed over the last number of years. With inflation, we have seen sums insured on dwelling houses, outbuildings increased drastically, and also only in the last 12 months livestock values have increased significantly also. So it is important that all sums insured are reviewed and to make sure they are accurate. Therefore, in the event of a claim, you are protected sufficiently. So as I said, the one most important piece of advice is try and reach out to your local branch to get the correct advice.
And finally, farming income, it's quite volatile. So does FBD have flexible payment options for farmers that might know when the next income or paycheck is coming?
Absolutely. It's important that we work with our customers, and we have various payment plans. So any customer can pay by credit card, cash, cheque, and then we also provide direct debit facilities also where we can, where somebody can spread those instalments over 8 monthly instalments, thereby taking the burden away from any particular person and having to pay out insurance in one lump sum.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to chat to us. Back to the studio.